Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to get free hosting for lifetime. So I will give the link in the description. You have to check it. In their app you have to click login or register, and you have to click create account. Okay, in here first you have to create a account, so you need a Gmail address. So I will go to my Gmail account, and first I will copy the Gmail here and then paste the Gmail. Then you have to input a password, then repeat the password. Now you have to enter your first name, then the last name, and here you have to input your address line, then the state and the country. Then you have to enter your postal code. In here you have to enter your mobile number. Okay, now here you can see a captcha. You have to input the letter here. Then you have to click submit. Okay, I have to enter the city. Then you have to click submit. You can see your client area account has been created. Okay, now I will give another link. You have to check the description. I will give the home page link. Okay, in here you have to scroll down, and here you can see free hosting. I will give the two link, the homepage client area link and the register link. So you have to just check the description. Then I will click here. In here you can see starting first month $0. It is for lifetime. You can host only one website. This quarter will be 512 MB, monthly bandwidth 512 MB, and max database is 1, and one click WordPress install and NVMe storage, also free SSL. And you have to click get started. Here you can register a domain or transfer the domain here, or also you can just update your name server. So you have to click here already have. Now you have to input your domain name here. So I will first log in into my Namecheap account because I register domain from here. Then I will just sign in. Then here you can see I have so many domains, so I will connect this, and I will first click manage. And in here you have to update this two name server here. Okay, and it will take some time to take effect, and I will give the name server in the description. You have to just first copy this first name server and paste it the first box, then the second name server and paste the second one. Then you have to save it. So after save it, you have to wait like 1 hour or 13 minutes. Then you have to go here again. Then you have to give the domain name here. So I will go here, copy the domain here, Ctrl C, and here I will press Ctrl B to paste, and I will delete the extension and put the extension here, and you have to click continue. I will give all of this, so you don't have to like, and just you have to check the description. I will give everything. Here you can see the summary. You have to click continue to order it, and now it is successfully ordered. Okay, you have to wait like 1 minute. So then click checkout. My order is confirmed. Then if I click here dashboard, I will see my plan is free plan. I will click here, and I will try to access my control panel. So I will click here and click to access control panel. Okay, it is loading. Here you can see our disk space, bandwidth, email, everything is here. and you can also change the PHP version. The latest PHP version is here 8.2, and you can use it for free and lifetime. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and in the further video I will show you how to create a URL shortener website. So thank you for watching and have a nice day, and also please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.